Hi, welcome back to day number 13. In our shifting stages in this framework, the last step is reintegration into daily life. We started slowly. We left late to arrive early to get the most out of our practice. We are now going to do steps to leave slowly as well and to slowly reintegrate ourselves back into our daily life. Take some of this into our daily life. Our eyes are usually closed, so we open our eyes in a way that doesn't startle us. We're in darkness. We don't let in too much light at once. We slowly do that. We don't want to be startled. We don't want to be shaken. We want to keep some of this, store it, and bring it back. Part of this transition is through self-applied massage. Very simple forms of acupressure massage. So if you close your eyes now, I will take you through one way to return to daily life. If you close your eyes, and we have just been sitting, and we decide that we're done. We take a moment, and with our mind, we just gently notice our lower dantian, which is a point beneath our belly button, a few inches inside. It's our center, our sea of energy. Nothing forceful, just a brief notice. Then we take our hands. We rub our hands together briskly, generating heat through friction. We place our warm hands over our eyes. We enjoy the darkness. We enjoy the stillness. And when we are ready, we slowly blink open our eyes, allowing a little light in, then a little bit more, and then fully awaken with our eyes open. Our palms are still shielding light, so we lift our palms little by little, pat, 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 allowing more light in. Then we can do self-applied massage. A lot of this depends on how much time you have. So with warm hands, we can dry wash the face with circles. Run our fingers through our hair close to the scalp a few times. We can linger on the neck, gripping with our fingers, pulling with our neck as our neck rotates, massaging those side neck muscles. We can hook the back of our shoulders and then drop our elbows, massaging those shoulder muscles. We can rub our ears. There's a lot of nerve endings, acupressure points in our ears, just between our thumb and index finger, just rubbing, like we're rubbing coins. Rubbing coins is the name of this exercise. We can rub our hands, front and back. And we can also kick off our shoes and rub our feet front and back. So we can push and pull, use our thumb in between the metatarsals. We can just use our palm against the sole of our feet. It's a nice way to end.